Hi guys, here I am with my Lookiero box. Now I wasn't really ready to open this, but I've had to run around like a maniac and sort of try and tidy myself up a bit because the Hermes driver decided, oh, I can't be bothered ringing the bell, I can't be bothered opening the post box and putting it in there because we do have a post box big enough for parcels. I'll just leave it in the drive. So it's rained all night and the box is falling apart. The string handle has gone and it is so soggy and I am concerned about the things that are inside. So I thought I'd best get this done so I can get them out and if they are wet, get them dry. My name's Fawn, this is my channel. It's a happy place. I meet lots of new friends, I figure loads of things out. Mostly fashion at the moment, but there's been quite a few other things and you guys are so helpful. I haven't had a huge amount of luck lately with Lookiero or Stitch Fix, but I'm hoping things might change because I did get really brave and link my channel. So they might have seen something and I actually have an idea of what my flipping body looks like. So anyway, let's get to it. I can't remember, oh gosh, this is so soggy, it's not even, can you see, it's just falling apart. I can't even open it properly. I can't remember what fixed this, or not fixed, because it's not fixed this with Lookiero, is it? Oh, it is damp in here, and you can see the rain has got the envelope, and I have two heavy bundles. Sorry, I just dropped the box. I mean, it is literally, can you see, it's as limp as a box could ever be. But I have two nice bundles. I can actually see some colours in that one. People always do that, show you the colours beforehand. And I'll open my envelope. Now I try not to look at the prices beforehand because I can come over all cheap and just rule something out before I've even tried it on. And I try not to do that with this because the whole idea of this is to get some things that I wouldn't normally go for. So, stickers. A leaflet. Spread the word, so I've got a user referral. I could get £10 for every friend I invite. They would also get £10. So I'll put it in the bottom, but please don't do it if you see a better deal or, you know, you don't fancy it. But I will put it there. The cards, I don't want to look at it, but I will show you guys. The cards on how they suggest that I style whatever is in the box. Price list, whoops, don't look at it. And then here I have my note from Zahara. Hi Fawn, it's lovely to see you again. I had a look at your YouTube video and loved it. Oh, brilliant, thank you Zahara. You look fabulous in everything. Apologies for the items that didn't fit. I've measured the sizes and picked them according to how big or small they come, so they should fit you perfectly. Zahara, you wonderful girl. For this box, I started with, oh no, I won't read it all because it'll tell me too much, but it says, have a great week, Fawn, kisses, Zahara. So, thank you, Zahara, and I will read it properly later. But let's get to it, I'm excited. She's actually measured the things and made sure that they'll fit my strange body. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, a very nice shirt by Itchy. I've had a few things from Itchy. Look at that. It is an olivey green, short sleeve with a little button cuff on the sleeve. It's got gold threads through it. I don't know if the camera will be picking up the gold. It's a button down. Looks like it should be long enough as well. I really like that. And as I say, that's by Itchy. A pair of black jeans by Only Karmakoma. They're lovely and stretchy. Yeah, look at the stretch on that waistband. Skinny leg. Oh, I like that detail. Can you see? There's a zip on the bottom. Oh, liking those a lot. Very pleased with those. Let's hope they fit nicely. Then on to my next bundle. What do I have here? Ooh. Oh, nice. A black blouse. This is a very Fawn piece. Very me. Black blouse. 3/4 sleeves. Very creased. I think it's cotton. It's got a pretty little ruffle on the end of the sleeve. It has ruffles down the front as well. Tie front. I don't mind a tie front, as you know. I think it helps Somebody said it draws attention to your tummy, but I actually think it helps disguise it a little bit. And this is by, oops, who is it by? Closet by Low. Oh, I'm looking forward to trying that on. Oh, look at these colours, girls. You've all been on at me that these are good colours for me, and I think you could be right. A stripy t-shirt. Oh, it's nice and long. Lovely autumn or fall colours. Look at that. I really do think that's lovely. And again, thinking it's a 3/4 sleeve. It's got black edging on the sleeves and around the neck. Oh, I like that. That looks really comfy and casual. And this is by Peppercorn. Never heard of them, but the fabric feels lovely. I'm so excited. This could be a 5 for 5 because I am loving what's coming out of here. Oh, and a black denim jacket. Ooh, dun dun dun. I've been looking for a black jacket, I have to say, whether it was denim or I did want a sort of a biker style one that's in fabric rather than leather or PU leather. I know they call it vegan leather now, don't they? But to me, I'm sorry, it'll always be plastic. But that's what I'm looking for. But a black denim one would equally work over loads and loads of things. It is really nice. Got the side pockets. Got the sort of silver buttons. I'm really excited to try that. And that's by a company called Brave Soul. I'm a brave soul. Aren't we all these days? Isn't it miserable at the moment? Oh. Anyway, I'm going to go try on and I'm going to let you see. I am so excited, guys. I can't tell you because nothing came out of that box that I hated. Some of it pushed me a little, but that is what I wanted my stylist to do. So Zahara, outstanding. I had to start with the black. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. I know this blouse is so creased if I walk in. It is really, really creased. But I'm British, we iron everything. So the fact that it's creased doesn't matter. I don't know whether that's, yeah, it's probably a European thing as well. We just iron flipping everything, but look, girls, it fits beautifully. There's no gaping. In fact, is it false? But no, it is actually real buttons. I want to come in and show you the frill because I know it's not picking up well on the camera. But can you see the frill? And then there's little sort of brassy bronze buttons in between. The sleeves, not full length, but they've got this little flutter. It's the only thing with black, it doesn't show up so well, does it, girls? And the jeans, right. I'm going to back right up. Hopefully you can see them. I think you can. I think you're in focus. They're fabulous. They're absolutely fabulous. They're the perfect length. They are very, very stretchy. If I turn around, of course, there's the tum, but it's not gripping them. The jeans aren't gripping the tummy so bad that it's making it more pronounced, if you know what I mean. They are so comfortable. They are so stretchy. I have a lot more room in these. I mean, I suppose it could be a worry that if I lost more weight, they'd be too big, but hey, do you know what? I can live with that, you know? I can live with my jeans being slightly too big. I can't live with them being slightly too small. They've got the little zip detail down here. I just think they're so cute. And you know, these jeans, I could wear them day in and day out. I am thrilled. I've kept the jeans on. I don't think I ever want to take them off, frankly. I don't do stripes. Girls, look how good this is. Oh, please tell me I'm right when I say this is good. What a layering piece. The length is lovely. The colours are great. I like that the sleeves aren't full length. I like this little detail. It is high neck and I prefer a V, but it's a low enough scoop, I think, that it works for me. And the most important thing, because these jeans aren't killing me around the waistband, I know I've still got some muffin top, but it's not hideously, I don't think, pronounced. It is a perfect, it feels lovely. I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. Now while I'm here, I'm going to try the denim jacket on with this, and then I might try the denim jacket again with a little dress. But let me get the jacket. I've moved the camera a bit, so hopefully you can see it a bit better. What do you think? It's actually a little bit large on me, this one. Yeah, a little bit large, but I do like them slightly oversized. layered over this top. I wouldn't wear it with the really dark jeans, I have to say. I don't think black on black. I'm not really keen on double denim, but I can turn the sleeves up to make a little bit more sense of them. In fact, I might turn them up twice. That's one turn. I might turn them up again. But that's the back view. Pockets. I think it's great. I hope the price is reasonable. And I hope when I look back at the video, I don't think, what were you looking at? But I really like it. Let me just try turning the sleeve up one more time. Is it a popper or is it buttons? It's a button. Hang on. Okay, so that's the two sleeves. So this one I've turned up twice. I've undone the button and turned it up twice. And this one I've just turned up once with the button closed. I'm not sure. Oh, I'm so glad I don't look at the prices, you know, because if any of this is really expensive, I would have already been against it. Whereas, I'm in love with it. So this is the only one I'm a bit nervous about, purely because it's got gold in it, because it's got glitter in it. I am so not a glitter person, but I really like the blouse. I like the length. I think that's a nice length for me. Just about covers the tongue without it being too obvious that that's what I'm doing. I like the sleeve length. The fabric is gorgeous. When I go through the prices, I'll tell you what the fabrics were on these, but it feels really light and airy. Because of the gold, I think it's kind of a Christmassy top. I'm not entirely sure what I'd wear it with, because I don't think it works with black jeans. It might work with blue jeans. I've got some sort of cream ones, although late in the year, do you wear cream jeans? Maybe what I need is some olive coloured jeans. That might be what's needed in my next box. But I really like it. I turn round. I hate doing the turn round bit. I just never know what it looks like from behind until I watch the film. And then sometimes I think, oh, what are you looking at? But I like it. I really, really like it. So I said I'd put that denim jacket on with a dress. So what I'll do is I'll put a dress on, put the jacket on, show you, and then we'll go straight into the prices, okay? Obviously, if I was going out, I'd have some black tights on. But this is the sort of, this is one of my mad dresses. It's quite short. My daughter encouraged me to buy it because it's one of these Chinese ones, and it says, I'm mostly peace, love and light. And a little bit of go yourself. But it's really comfy and casual. And this is just, I think this denim jacket works with it so, so well. I've got my biker boots on. What can I say? It feels kind of me, but a younger me. Yeah, me I used to be, and me that was more confident and happy. And I've got my pockets in the dress, but I've also got my pockets in the jacket. I'm a happy girl. So now the scary bit, the prices. And I did say I'd fill you in on some of the fabrics as well. So first up, the Car Macoma jeans. These are so stretchy, girls. These are so stretchy. I probably could even go a size down in them, but I'm happy with where they are right now. And these are, look at my price list, the Only Macoma, goodness me, £35. I'll have 5, please. Next is this blouse. And I wanted to check the fabrics on these blouses, didn't I? But it's so, so nice. This is by Closet by Low. I think it must be a Lookiero brand, possibly. I don't know. I'm trying to find the fabric label. Here we go. And the fabric on this one is 100% rayon, so cotton basically. Cotton blend, isn't it? I love it. I mean, it needs pressing, so you're not seeing it in its absolute best, but honestly, girls, if you could see it, you'd know why I love it. So that I am keeping. Oh no, how much is it? Look, I'm keeping it before I even know, but let's be honest, I'm going to keep it. So it is Closet by Low, £42.30. Fine by me. Next was the peppercorn top. These stripes. I never thought I'd like something as stripy as this. And it was great on. The fabric on this is 100% organic cotton. No wonder it felt so good. I just, you know, I recognised that this was a lovely quality piece. I'm hoping that in the future she sends me more things by them because the quality is fabulous. And the price on that one, peppercorn, £26.99. I mean, some people are going to say, oh, well, that's a bit much for a long sleeve t-shirt, but it isn't just a long sleeve t-shirt. Honestly, ladies, it feels fabulous. And there is a design element to it, so loving it. Then we have the itchy shirt, the one with the gold in. It sort of scares me a little bit. As you can see, I like olive green. I'm a bit scared of the gold, but you know, I think I can get away with it. I hope I can get away with it. This one, looking at the fabric, it's 98% cotton, 2% metallic thread. Love it, absolutely love it. And this one is, hang on a minute, $34.99. I mean, it's a bit much to take a punt on, but I'm going to take that punt, I think. And last but not least is the denim jacket, which is by Brave Soul. Obviously it's cotton. I hope you liked it as much as I liked it, girls. I thought it was fabulous. I'd like one in the future. I'd like, you know, more jackets and more black jackets, and it'd be lovely if they had a bit more shaping. But to start off my black jacket collection, I think this is great. And this one is, good God, $35.99. The prices in this box, Zahara, you have absolutely outdone yourself. So let me put my glasses on so I can do the money thing. So the subtotal for the whole box, not including the discounts, all of those clothes come to £175, which I think is amazing. Jeans, a jacket and 3 tops for 175 quid. Then they take my £10 styling fee off, so that's 165. But then, because I am going to keep it all, a 25% discount, which means this box was £123.95. And I am one happy lady. Zahara has ticked off the jeans. She's got me with the jeans. She got me with the jacket and the tops and the colours and the fabrics and the... Well done. I love it. 5 for 5. I didn't think I'd ever get there. Well, I hope you all have as much luck with yours. I'm going to work out how I'm going to use these in my wardrobe, and you will be seeing them, let me tell you. But that was me. That was Lookiero. I'm overjoyed. Bye, guys.